Hey guys, so I got the Uuni Pro all warmed up and we're going to have some pizzas today. I'm going to do a couple of test runs because it's the first time cooking with charcoal and wood. And so I have the dough balls there, they're proofing, they're going to rise a little bit. I have my toppings all set up, sauce, the cheese, I have some sliced mushrooms and some red onion. And let's go ahead and give this a go. Pizza number 2. This is a plain pizza for the kids. Give it a nice little blow. Beautiful. There's no more wine. Alright, so both pizzas are done. I cut into both of them. This one's got a lot of caramelization. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Go ahead and give me a taste here.
That is really good.
You like it?
Yes.
Awesome?
Totally.
Super duper awesome?
Nope.
There you have it. Super duper awesome. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and also check out below because I have a link to my blog where I have more recipes, reviews, and tips. Thanks again.